Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put background on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a background to your Squarespace site can enhance its visual appeal and improve user experience. Now, let me tell you, there are several ways to add or change backgrounds depending on where you'd like to apply them. For example, in an entire page, section, or individual blocks. Okay? So, before that, I need you to hover to the upper right corner once you are logged in and click the account dashboard. And from here, all you have to do is go to the page where you want to add the background. I'm going to click on this specific website. And from here, click on the edit button and hover to the section you want to change. For example, this one. I'm going to put a background here on this specific section. Okay? For you to be able to do that, you see, when you click on the add section here, or edit the section, there's going to be a pencil icon. There's going to be three options: design, background, and of course colors. If you wanted, of course, to put a background image here, all we have to do is put the image by clicking on the plus button. You have three options: upload a file, select from library, or browse stock images. These are going to be the free images from Unsplash, so it's up to you what image you wanted to use. Or you can use premium images, all right? But these are going to be from Getty, and it's paid, right? It's not free. But since I have already my own image here, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on add, and from here, I have the background image already put together, all right? You see that? Of course, I can change some colors here. For example, put in the darkest and darkest too. So you can be creative, all right? Because putting a background image will significantly impact the visual appeal, branding, and the overall experience of your website, okay? Because a well-chosen background image like this one or color can make your site more visually engaging. You can draw visitors' attention, making it more memorable. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.